Is your LG TV Bluetooth not working? Having trouble connecting headphones, speakers, or other devices? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step solutions to fix Bluetooth issues on your LG Smart TV. Follow along, and by the end, your Bluetooth will be working smoothly again. Step 1. Restart your LG TV. The first and simplest fix is restarting your TV. Turn off your LG TV completely and unplug it from the power source for at least 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. A simple restart often clears minor software glitches that prevent Bluetooth from working. Step 2. Check Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, Sound Out Bluetooth Device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. If you don't see your device, try refreshing the list. Also, ensure your headphones or speaker is in pairing mode so the TV can detect it. Step 3. Forget and repair devices. If your Bluetooth device was connected before but is not working now, remove it from the paired list. Then search again and repair it. Many times, a fresh pairing solves the problem instantly. Step 4. Update TV software. Outdated software can also cause Bluetooth issues. Go to Settings, All Settings General about this TV. Check for updates. Install any available update, restart your TV, and try connecting again. And that's it. Restart your TV, check Bluetooth settings, repair your device, and update the software. One of these steps will definitely fix your problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LG TV troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.